Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to make money online through websites. Can you imagine? There are websites that you can step in, you can just sign up today and you'll be paid $100 for doing some few tasks. So that's our focus in this video. Before we jump in to look at these 7 websites, I will highly encourage you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please smash the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, subscribe, like, subscribe, like, subscribe, like, subscribe, like, subscribe. So the first website we'll be looking at is usertesting.com. So we have seen that we're on the website already, usertesting.com. So to simply explain it, it's a website that people list tasks and you will come and do those tasks. It's like answering survey and providing feedback to this company. On the website, you're seeing scale across all teams. There are some businesses that want feedback on their website, on their product, on their good, on their design, on their product in general. So, and they want to get the public feedback on that service they're offering. So they want to like test it with you. They will take you through the website, and as you go through the website with them, you tell them what is good and what is not good on the website so that they will go back and correct it. And for taking your time to participate in the survey or in the testing, they pay you money for your service. For you to get paid, you go to this link here, get paid to test at the top right hand corner. Here, get paid to share your perspective with global brands. Earn a little extra money in your spare time by helping brands build better products and experiences for people around the world. The way it works is for you to just apply. So you browse through different tasks that are available, different questions that are available, then you provide your answer. You don't need to read any textbook to provide the answer. Just what do you think about the website? What do you think about the product? What do you think about this and about that? So as you provide your answer, sometimes you may be required to share a video in giving an answer so that you help to improve services and products. By doing that, this is how much you are paid. You earn $4 for every 5 minutes. You earn $10 for every 20 minutes. And for live interviews, you earn about $30 to $120. I told you about $100 per day. So you see, in one day, if you're involved in live interviews, so through Teams or through Zoom, two of you will be talking, tell them, I like this, I hate this, I like this, I hate this. Very simple to answer. Then you'll be paid about $100 in one day. So the second website we'll be talking about is Respondent. Respondent.com is very similar to our first website, usertesting.com. They mostly do the same thing that competitors. In Respondent, they conduct a research and you participate in that research. Don't be scared. It's not like the research you did in school. A company will come and post a project, then they will invite you and other people to come and participate in the research. So you people conduct the research through video calls, phone calls, in-person discussions, or online research. It's similar to user testing. This is our website. What do you like about this website? This is a product. What do you like about this product? So this is the brand of our company. Do you really like this brand? Do you think other people will like this brand? Just to give you, an idea of the kind of questions that they ask. It's very simple. It's what you can answer without having to read textbooks. And they pay you for participating. For respondent, if the company like you so much, they can choose to retain you as a recurring participant. So, and the survey can reach in different areas. It can be in product research, exploratory research, business research, consumer research. They pay very well because businesses that take their service sometimes can be a very big company like Apple, Amazon, IBM, that want to get like the public first taste of their product, an idea of what people like and don't like before they go back and modify it and start selling it to the general public. So they need your feedback in order to make it better. And we can see they pay so much. See, our researchers are looking for business professionals of all kinds. So this is how much they pay. So if you're a software developer, you earn about $200 per hour. If you're a marketer, you earn about $150 per hour. If you're a business owner, $500 per hour. If you're an executive, see how much you earn. And if you're in sales and support, so you and I can register under sales and support or under marketers. If you think you don't have software experience, and you'll be collecting about $100 per hour here. And I've explained to you how it works. Verify your profile, get matched, participate, and get paid about $100 per hour. for participating in the survey or in the research, as they call it. The third website is Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a stock footage website. And if you don't know the meaning of stock footage, it means that it's a place where people sell their videos, sell their pictures, sell images, and things like that. And you get paid for selling your image or your content. And other people like me that are YouTubers, if we're looking for a footage to add to our video, we will pay this company in order to use that image or that video. Anybody can come here and type anything, dancing, to look for a video or an image. You see, there are photos of dancing here. So this is for images. If I search for video, I go down video, I click search dancing. You see, you see videos of people that are dancing. So these people made this video in their own house and they sold it to Shutterstock. I said, I like this video. I want to use it as a YouTuber to add to my video that I'm making for you. I will go and download it. So let's see how much it costs for me to download this video you are seeing. For me to download it from Shutterstock, I will pay about £299. So imagine you are the one that uploaded this video. You'll be earning about 15 to 50% of the price. Is it not more than £100 per day? And this is from one download. So if you are the one that made this video, the more people are downloading your video, the more you can make money. It's like passive income. It's a very good way to start making passive income. Go outside your house or inside your house, dance, play, do some funny things. You can even snap bed or take videos of bed or anything random that you think that people will like to use in a video, and they pay you for sending your content. Whenever someone download it to use it, they pay you. In one day, you can make more than $100. Seeing the different images, different videos that people have here. It's normal people like you and I that send these videos and images to these companies. So you too can send yours. If you want to participate, click on sell your content. And they said I've paid more than $1 billion since people have started uploading to their website. So let's go to earnings breakdown. You can earn up to 40%. So imagine that one that we saw, $299. You are earning 40% of it. Let's calculate it. Wow, that's like £120. And £120 is like $150 in one day from one customer. So imagine having multiple downloads. And just for me to add to it, 4K videos are more expensive. So go for 4K videos and HD videos. But people also download images at times. Images does not give as much money as 4K videos and HD. You can go through it at your own time to see how they earn and several other things. So this is just one website. And the good thing is that the content belongs to you. You own the right to that content since it's your video, which implies that you can sell it to competing websites, to Shutterstock, like Adobe Stock. So you see, I am on Adobe Stock images. You can sell the same content you've already sold on Shutterstock. You can bring it here and also sell it. You own the right to sell it on multiple platforms. You can also come and sell it here on Get Images, the videos, the photos you've made. And some of us are thinking, I don't have a camera. You don't need a camera. Your phone camera is enough. Most of us use phones with good camera. So instead of just wasting time browsing online, just take videos of special moments, special events. It can be animals, it can be places, it can be location, it can be you dancing, you cooking, it can be anything. And come and post it here. If you want to edit your image, it's not difficult. You can use normal iPhone editor or go to any editor online in order to make your image look more crisp, looks better, so that more and more people will download it. Because the more people download it, the more you are paid. And I'm sure you can make more than $100 in one day. In fact, that's even the minimum you should be making. So I've shown you like 3 websites here. You can do that. The next website that you can make money is Fiverr. I know most of you have heard about Fiverr. It's a freelancing website. It's similar to Upwork, Guru, Freelancer, and other freelancing websites. All that is involved is you just come and list your service, list the skill that you can offer. If you come to the website, you see a lot of things that you can do, graphic and design. If you can do any of these things for people, you come and register and sign up on the website. If you're into digital marketing, into writing and translation, into video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, you can do virtual assisting, business consulting, data entering, simple things like this. You can do lifestyle, like gaming, collectibles, In fact, the funny thing is that some people are looking for who they will talk with. So if you are someone that can have a listening ear, you can come and list under lifestyle and listen to people's problem. And for listening to the problem, they pay you for it. At least I'm giving you free tips now. Wouldn't it be good for you to subscribe to my channel so that I will give you more free tips? If you're into NFT, you can go to Trending, NFT service, dropshipping, game development, anything you can offer. As long as you have the time to make extra income, just come to this website. I'm sure that there's something out for you. Let's go to writing and translation. So under writing and translation, we go to resume writing. If you're someone that can write a resume for people, see this one. I will write your senior director, VIP, ex-VP, or executive resume. So you're someone that can write a resume for people. See how much you charge. £227. This is like $250. This is like $350. This is like $400 just to write resume for people. So you see, people are making a lot of money here. Hey, so it can be something as simple as that. Not to make this video so long, come to this website and see the service you can offer to people and start making money from it. The problem that people complain with Fiverr is that there's huge competition. So if you think the competition is so much, you can register on alternative websites like Upwork. So Upwork offers similar service to Fiverr. Come and enroll. And I told you we are playing smartness. You are enrolling on all these platforms in order to maximize the money you make. So here we are on Freelancer. It's similar to Fiverr. See the service they offer. The final one is Guru. The job here is very similar. So what service can you offer to people on Guru, on Freelancer, on Upwork? So register on multiple platforms and maximize your earning potential. So that brings us to the final one we'll be discussing for today, which is My Tutor. So you see, My Tutor is just a platform for teaching students. So if you are someone that knows a lot about chemistry, about physics, about biology, language, you can enroll on all these platforms to start teaching students what you know about. And they pay you about $20 per hour. That's the minimum. In one day, you can teach for 5 hours. That's like £100. Some people are doing this side hustle and they're paid about £50 per 1 hour. So which means if you do it for 2 hours, you are paid about £100, which is like $120. It doesn't have to be My Tutor that I'm showing you here. Depending on the country that you are in. If you're in Nigeria, search for top tutoring websites in Nigeria. If you are in America, type top tutoring websites in America. I'm in UK, so that's why I'm having My Tutor here. It's one of the top and the best websites for teaching students. Comparable website to it. So depending on where you are, search for similar websites and be earning. So that brings us to the end of the website in order to make money online. So guys, I would highly encourage you to please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I can't stop saying it. Make my day. Yes, make my day by subscribing to my channel. It means a lot for me so that I can bring more and more content on how to make money online from the comfort of your house to you. So please subscribe now. I'm waiting. I won't end this video until you subscribe. I'm not ending it. I am not ending it. You have to subscribe before I will end this video. And while we are waiting for other people to subscribe, these 2 videos you are seeing here is how to make money online. Although the title has Nigeria, it can be applied by anybody on how to make money online wherever you are. So please check it out. Bye.